If you're just stepping into the world of worm composting, one of the first big decisions you'll face is this. Should you build your own worm bin or buy a pre-made worm tower? While both approaches have their pros and cons, choosing the right one can mean the difference between a smooth start and a frustrating experience. At Hydrohaven, we believe that beginners thrive best when the tools they use match their learning pace, budget, and curiosity. That's why today, we're unpacking this comparison fully, so you can make a smart, confident choice that fits your garden and your goals. Worm composting or vermicomposting is a brilliant way to turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-dense castings, all while reducing waste and enriching your soil. Whether you go DIY or store-bought, the principle remains the same. Worms eat your organic waste and leave behind castings that boost plant growth, improve soil structure, and support a thriving microbial ecosystem. But when it comes to setting up your worm bin, the pathway you choose can impact how well you learn, adapt, and succeed. Let's begin with the DIY worm bin. For most beginners, this is the more approachable and forgiving option. Not only is it inexpensive, but it also gives you a hands-on understanding of how the composting process works from the ground up. You can build a basic bin using nothing more than a plastic storage container, a drill, and a lid. Building your bin teaches you valuable lessons, like how to ventilate properly, why drainage matters, and how moisture levels affect worm activity. And because you're assembling it yourself, you can design the bin to fit your unique space, whether it's under the kitchen sink, in the garage, or outside on a shaded balcony. DIY bins are also wonderfully adaptable. As you gain experience, you can modify the design, maybe add additional trays, tweak the airflow, or even experiment with different bedding materials. If something goes wrong, fixing it is simple and cheap. Most importantly, it gives you a closer relationship with the composting process. You're not just operating a worm bin, you're understanding it, troubleshooting it, and optimizing it. This kind of learning curve might feel a bit daunting at first, but for many gardeners it creates a deeper sense of confidence and empowerment. Of course, DIY isn't without its challenges. Building a bin requires a little bit of work up front. You'll need to find the right container, drill holes for aeration and drainage, and monitor it closely in the first few weeks to get a feel for how your worms are adapting. Mistakes happen. Maybe you forget to add enough bedding or overfeed them. But the beauty of a homemade system is that these missteps are cheap and easy to correct. They're also part of the learning process, and in gardening, that hands-on experience is priceless. Now let's look at the other option: store-bought worm towers. These pre-made systems are designed to offer ease, convenience, and sleek design, especially appealing if you want something tidy and ready to go right out of the box. Many towers use a tiered tray system that allows you to rotate layers as worms migrate upward, leaving finished castings below. These setups often come with instruction manuals, making them very beginner-friendly on the surface. However, convenience comes at a cost, literally. Store-bought worm towers can be significantly more expensive than DIY options, and while the design looks professional, it may not be as flexible. You're limited to the features the manufacturer has built in. If you want to experiment with different ventilation systems, or your climate requires adjustments, modifying a store-bought unit can be tricky. Some models are also over-engineered for beginners. Features like built-in leachate taps, stacking trays, and harvest drawers can actually add complexity before you've mastered the basics. If something breaks or doesn't quite work as expected, you may find yourself stuck with limited repair options and a higher replacement cost. In terms of worm comfort, both systems can work equally well when managed properly. The main difference lies in how much control and learning opportunity you have. A DIY bin is more forgiving, easier to tweak, and invites you to pay close attention to how the worms are responding. A store-bought tower, on the other hand, might make it easier to get started, but can sometimes create a barrier between you and a deeper understanding of the process. If you're just getting started with vermicomposting, your best bet is to begin with a DIY bin. It's cost-effective, customizable, and offers a priceless education in how worms behave, what they need, and how decomposition really works. Once you've built confidence, you can always upgrade later, perhaps even designing your own advanced system that outperforms any commercial bin. For many gardeners, the skills and insights gained from starting simple end up being the real harvest. And remember, worms don't need luxury, they need consistency, balance, and attention. Whether you're feeding them kitchen scraps or a custom blend of bedding, what matters most is how well you understand and care for their environment. That knowledge grows with experience, and there's no better way to gain it than by getting your hands dirty, literally. If you found this comparison helpful and you're excited to begin your worm composting journey, don't forget to subscribe to Hydro Haven and share this video with your fellow growers. Let's keep building better soil together, one bin, one peel, and one casting at a time.